Wild Rush, young bloody nigga. I keep me a Glock. Keep me a Glock on my hip. Nigga know how I get. No, I keep me a Glock. Pop a nigga right in their face. If they dare try to get me. If they dare try to kill me. Why they at with my Glock? And I take all these money, these pussy niggas, yeah, they think they the gold. Pussy boy on the dime. Been working y'all for your gun. I'm taking your money, I'm taking your shit. Rob your bitch. Nigga know I walk in that cut. Shoot your bitch in her face. Your girl coming back home with no money. Now all y'all looking down like what happened now. I caught your gang in the fucking river. I shot them niggas and I shot them all. Yeah, these niggas think that they done, but they not no done. Shot them in their mouth, got these niggas thinking that they run. Oh, you running now? Oh, you running now? We gon' chase him down. We gon' chase him down. I'm gonna hawk his ass down and I grab him by the face and punch that bitch right in his shit, yo. Up that Glock 43, you know that baby blue. I shot a bitch ass nigga right in his fucking face. Nigga thought he bulletproof, boy I thought he see-through. Shoot him in his fucking face. I shot with that fucking rock. Hollow twist that 80 brains like I don't give no fuck. Cut me a little lane and I shot him in the truck. Yeah, I took it hot box, swerving that bitch down the road. Took that bitch to Midtown, fuck that home alone. If a nigga tryna catch my brain, nigga know. They ain't catch no Joaquin by that cause they fucking hold. These pussy nigga pussy and I know. Grind out this bitch with a fat ass block. Nigga know just how we gon' take his little spot. Bitch, I was 13 when I came outside beating up the block. All these niggas think they fire, till I came out with the fire. Shot this bitch right in his nose, now he bleeding all the time. You can't even rhyme, but I wipe your nose all the time. And now these niggas flying, know these niggas lying. If he say he caught a blick, that pussy sweet, he ain't caught shit. Nigga know this how we get it, up that fire and shoot his bitch. No, up that fire and take it blick. How many times these niggas got that shit took he ain't even with it. He ain't even ready. Why ain't even ready? Ain't even ready. Caught his ass in the city. Pop them like confetti.